Hello, I'm Mike Smith, host of the Mike Tech Show podcast and co-host of the Tech Vets podcast. And I want to take a moment to talk about the laptop repair videos that Steve Tribino has completed and is selling. They're amazing. If you're even thinking about going into the repair business or you're already doing computer repairs, this will help you make more money by being able to repair laptops and take on any problem. The videos will absolutely pay for themselves 10 times over. So go forth and purchase them. You won't regret it.